Now available at McCarthy Cars is a 2011 Land Rover Freelander 2.2 TD4 Turbo Diesel XS. The vehicle is in metallic Sumatra black finish with a 17-inch of Land Rover alloy wheels. It's got side steps, privacy glass, and front and rear parking sensors. It's got split folding rear seats. It's got front forks and headlamp washers. Moving to the interior, it's got a full black leather interior with 5 headrests. It's got ISOFIX for child seat preparation, a rear center armrest with 2 cup holders, and for your safety it's got front, side and rear airbags. It's got twin electric seats, both driver and passenger side, electric lumbar support, electric windows and folding mirrors. It's got auto headlights, push button to start, Alpine sound system. The vehicle has got only 31,000 miles on the clock, as you can see. It's got multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side. It's got Bluetooth connectivity, which we have the buttons on the steering wheel as well. The automatic transmission. It's got satellite navigation. Aux in, both driver and passenger side armrests, heated seats, front heated windscreen, air conditioning with a climate control. It's got rear view dimming mirror. The leather is in very good condition. It's got obviously power steering wheel. So this was the quick overview of the Freelander 2. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.